To create a Google Voice number, start by going to the Google Voice website and signing in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you are signed in, click on the Get a Google Voice Number button. You will then be prompted to choose a phone number from the available options. You can search for numbers by area code or city. Choose a number that you like and click on the Select button next to it. After selecting your number, you will be asked to link a phone number to your Google Voice account. This can be a mobile phone or a landline. Enter the phone number you want to link and click on the Send Code button. You will then receive a verification code on your phone. Enter this code on the Google Voice website to verify your phone number. Once your phone number is verified, you can start using your Google Voice number to make and receive calls and send texts. It is important to note that Google Voice is only available in the United States and you need to have a US phone number to sign up. Also, be aware that Google Voice is a VoIP service and may not work with all phone providers or in all areas. To get the most out of Google Voice, make sure to explore the settings and features available. You can set up call forwarding, voicemail, and text messaging. You can also use the Google Voice app on your mobile device to make and receive calls and send texts on the go. By following these steps, you can easily create a Google Voice number and start enjoying the benefits of this free service. Remember to always follow best practices and use your Google Voice number responsibly.